Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name's Joey Andron. I'm a licensed real estate professional here in the Las Vegas Valley, and I receive phone calls and text messages every day from people just like you looking to move to this area. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, I would love to hear from you because I have so much knowledge about this area and I would love to share it with you. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the district, which is located in Green Valley, and it's pretty much the center and the heartbeat of the neighborhood. And if you stay with me all the way to the end, I'll show you exactly what your money can buy you right here in this neighborhood. And I have to say, I think you will be impressed. But to give you a little bit more information about the district, it's really pedestrian friendly. It has a lot of boutiques, restaurants. It's mixed use, so you'll find a condo here that you can rent or you can purchase. The walkability here is just fantastic, so I'm really excited to show it to you. As you can see here, we have REI on this side, Shake Shack on the other side. So here in Green Valley, you're gonna have a lot of different types of properties. You'll have new construction, you'll also have some resales, but the property values hold up extremely well here as the population grows. Right now, the median home price is sitting right around $535,000 in April for a single family home. And you're gonna be looking right around about $400,000 for a townhome. You can see we have Sephora on this side, sunglass shop here. But as you can see, I mean, this is a really, really nice vibe here. And they changed this entire landscape during the holidays. So whether it's fall or Christmas, it really just takes shape and it's beautiful. Yeah, one of my favorite things to do is come out here with the kids. You can grab a little bite at one of the restaurants. This place is called Local. Kind of a little wine bar. You have some appetizers, but it's nice that you could just sit outside and enjoy yourself. But if you're looking to live in the district, this would be your main option. These are the condominiums at the district. You can find 1 and 2 bedrooms here for rent. You'll be looking right around $2,500 to $2,800 per month, or you can purchase up to a 2 or 3 bedroom for around $600,000 to $700,000. Now it might seem like a lot, but with the accessibility of the district, you can walk right downstairs and just really enjoy yourself. So just at the end of this little strip here, you have Green Valley Resort and Spa. It's also the hotel casino. And there's a lot of really great restaurants there, but for locals, it's great because you can actually buy a day pass and hang out by the pool there in the summertime, which is absolutely cool because you have the poolside service, take advantage of the spa amenities as well. I do that quite often and it's awesome. You have to check it out. Another great addition to the district is this restaurant right behind me. This is called Echo and Rig. It's a steakhouse. Their first location is in Summerlin and they just opened up here, I want to say about a year ago. And then on the other side, they're making an expansion. They're going to include North Italia and another restaurant called Flower Child. So we're really excited about the growth here in the district. So one of the great things about living in Green Valley is that they really promote that outdoor lifestyle. So wherever you go within the master plan, you're going to find beautiful parks and recreation. You know, whether you play sports with your kids or you just want to go hang out at the park and do picnics and things like that. Green Valley has an abundance of parks. They also have great biking trails that will take you from Green Valley all the way out to Lake Las Vegas or even Lake Mead. So you can literally go on these paths and not even see any cars if you don't want to. And then here we have the best barbecue in town, Lucille's. They have another location in Summerlin in Red Rock Casino. But if you like barbecue, you definitely have to try it out. All right, so now I'm inside the Green Valley Resort and Spa, and I'm gonna give you a little tour of what the locals do on the weekends. This hotel just went under a massive renovation and it absolutely looks beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So they redid this entire lobby, this bar right here. They brought in Blue Ribbon. This restaurant used to be at the Cosmopolitan. I just love what they've done here in this space. They've actually stepped up their game, no pun, but they really changed this whole hotel. The look and feel, the vibe is great. So no matter what you're looking to do, if you want to just go out for a nice cocktail or you want to get into a little bit of gaming, you have that here, but also have some fantastic restaurants. This is a high-end steakhouse called Hank's. Over here we have Borracha, which is a Mexican restaurant. We actually go there there a lot, and it's so good. Happy hour is amazing. You have Pizza Rock on the other side, and one of our favorite Italian restaurants is Bottiglia right here on the corner. This restaurant also has a really nice happy hour, and if you like brunch, this is a great place to spend a Sunday and Saturday and Sunday, because you have $25 bottomless mimosas and Aperol Spritz. But this restaurant is super cute. They have that outdoor seating area. So early afternoon, you sit out there and enjoy your mimosas or your brunch with your friends and your family, and it's such a nice vibe. All right, so right on the other side of the district and Green Valley Resort and Spa, we have Lifetime Fitness. Now, if you know about Lifetime Fitness, enough said. If you don't know about it, Google it. It is probably the best gym you can be a member of. I was a member there for about 6 years and absolutely loved it. It's 2 floors. It has indoor, outdoor pools, lap pools, full bar service. It has all the amenities, and they just added pickleball, which is really neat. Membership is gonna probably run you right around $250 for individual and about $400-ish for families. So if you got the budget for it, you definitely wanna look in to becoming a member here. What they also opened up is the Lifetime Residences. Now those aren't for sale, they are for rent, but be prepared to pay around $3,500 or around $4,000 for rent, which is absolutely incredible for a condo. But if you wanna do it, that's up to you. But one of the great things about living in Green Valley is that everything is so concentrated right here. You have Lifetime Fitness, Green Valley Resort and Spa, the district, you have the Silver Knights, if you like hockey, all the parks and recreation. So Green Valley Master Plan is so well designed. It is something that more people need to consider, because when people ask me where they should live, either on Summerlin or in Henderson, I feel a lot of people gravitate towards Summerlin, not because it's better. I think it's because they don't know enough about Green Valley. So again, if you want more information on Green Valley, pick up the phone, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to have a conversation with you. All right, guys, without further ado, let's go see what your money can buy you right here in this neighborhood. Okay, so we just arrived to a house right here in Green Valley, which is about a 4-minute drive from the district where we just were. And this is my newest listing here. This house is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3,779 square feet. It has paid off solar. It's a corner lot. It sits up a little bit higher than the rest of the homes across the street, so it has a great vantage point. As you can see, we have some stacked stone. There's a balcony from one of the bedrooms upstairs, little pop out here. So the aesthetics are really nice with this house. 3-car garage. All the landscaping has been trimmed back to give it a little bit more curb appeal. We have upgraded pavers that take you all the way to the front door, as well as around to the backyard. So we'll see the backyard at the very end, but I want to show you the interior of the home. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Now, when I tell you how much this house is being offered at, I think it might blow some of your minds, especially if you're coming from California like most people are these days. So this house, as soon as you walk in, you're greeted by these double high ceilings. And what you're gonna find here is that it has a lot of open space, a lot for seating and a lot of storage space. So this would be, I guess, your family room, your formal dining room. I'll back up here so you can see. So it's a really nice inviting entrance. And I just love all the windows here. This is gonna be your west exposure. And then it has a Juliet balcony on the 2nd floor. I think these are so neat. So you can actually walk up and you can greet your guests if you're upstairs, if you're hanging out in the loft. You don't actually have to come down to see who's at your door. Here we have a powder bath with a single vanity, granite countertops. That's gonna be the entrance to the 3-car garage. All new carpet on the stairs. A lot of storage just goes all the way in and around. And this is pretty unique. Look how big this storage closet is right across from the other storage closet. So whether you have Costco boxes or just a bunch of things that you need to store in your home, this house has a lot of space to offer. Here we have the great room. So you have 2 steps down, and this is all wood floors throughout the entire 1st floor. But you do have tile in the storage room. Plantation shutters all the way around. This area right here is wired for surround sound. You have an informal dining, L-shaped island with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop and range. And here is the pantry. I always like these glass doors, but you have to keep your pantry super clean. This one's a little opaque, so it does block out the complete view. You definitely have to keep your pantry organized if you want to have a glass door on it. Microwave over here. And I just like the way that this is designed. It's really great for large families or people who like to entertain because it has a lot of space. And you know, most people, when they entertain, everybody ends up in the kitchen. So this would be your hangout spot, right? This is a nice feature as well. You have the window that overlooks the backyard. So this house is a 5-bedroom with 4 baths, and it offers an ensuite downstairs. So this bedroom is actually about a 14 by 16. It's quite large. It might not look that way on camera, but it is a very large ensuite, and it has a full bath and a massive walk-in closet. So upgraded tile surrounds here, walk-in shower, and then a linen closet here. Now let's go take a walk upstairs and show you the other rooms. So right at the top of the stairs, again, we have wood floors and this massive loft. So again, if you're a family that's growing or you have a blended family, this house has so much space to where everybody can literally have their designated spot, their hangout spot, where they want to be, and you won't feel like you're on top of one another. Homes like this are very hard to find nowadays. If you're looking for a brand new home, they're gonna be around 2,000 to 2,500 square feet on average, and you're still paying a pretty high price per square foot. So off to my right here, we'll have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. This one is gonna have the shower tub combination, 2 sinks in the vanity. They upgraded the walls here so you have that shiplap look. Again, all new carpet in the bedrooms. And this is the bedroom that has the balcony right off at the front of the house. You see, that's the neighborhood. There are about 156 homes in this subdivision, and the HOA is only $30 per month. Washer and dryer. So all of the appliances come in this house. Pretty turnkey. Of another storage closet here, and the 4th bedroom. These are gonna be standard sizes. I wanna say this one might be a little bit smaller than the other 2. And right down the hallway here is the primary bedroom, greeted by French doors. And look how massive this bedroom is. You can literally put a king-size bed here and it will feel small. There's so much space. You have a gas fireplace, again with the shiplap, and an angled ceiling that starts at about 8 to 8.5 feet, and it goes up to about 12, 13 feet on this side. So just like the loft, you'll have a slider that goes out to this deck, which is pretty neat. And you actually have a strip view from here. So you have strip view, mountain view. At night, it's absolutely beautiful. Here we have the primary bathroom, his and her closets. Both of them are built out. Bathroom countertops have been upgraded to a quartz with the waterfall edge. You have the floating tub, his and her vanity, and a drop zone here, more for linens and possibly folding, and an additional closet. Again, that's all built out. And we have another shower, step-in shower with the bench seating, upgraded tile surrounds. And just off of the loft, you have this amazing deck where you can come outside at night and see all of the city lights out there. You can see the strip, you can see the Luxor's high beam flashing straight into space. You have Allegiant Stadium, see some of Red Rock Mountain there. But it's such a great vantage point up here, and this is just a really nice space to come and just chill out. Now let's go downstairs and take a look at the backyard. Okay, here in the backyard, you have a really nice seating area. You do have a covered area because of the deck upstairs. You have a gas bib on this side as well as a hose bib. So you can literally put your grill here, have a nice table and chair set up, but all of the landscaping is mature. It's desert landscaping, so it is low maintenance. All of the irrigation lines have recently been replaced. So all of the plants are now going to get some adequate water because we did see some that were struggling. So we wanted to make sure that all of the landscaping here had an opportunity to grow here in the springtime. But what I really like about this is that you're still sitting up quite high. So you're not really being blocked by that wall, but you're also getting privacy at the same time. Here in Las Vegas, homes are typically about 10 feet apart. So with this house being 5 feet to the wall, an additional 5 feet from the wall to that house, that's 10 feet. But on this side, there are no homes because it's a corner lot, no homes behind this one except the ones across the street. So you have a pretty far setback. And then you have these mature trees that are going to give you some shade and protect you from the morning sun because this is east exposure. Again, the vantage point is pretty high. You can see the mountains here. You can't quite see the strip, but you do see the mountains and you have a really nice setback. So again, this house is 3,779 square feet and the price, $769,000, which is an absolute steal. Right now, this house is priced to sell and the comps in this area are suggesting $804,000. The reason why I have it priced at $769,000 is because my clients are in a position where they want to sell. They had family members living here and now they've moved on and they don't want to have two mortgages. So rather than wait and play the game, they just want to price it aggressively and sell it. I've already had 4 showings in the past 3 days, which has only been on the market for 3 days. And I would expect it to go pretty darn quick. But if you like this home, make sure you reach out to me. All my contact information is below. And again, if you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas or the Henderson area, whether it be 9 days or 90 days, I would love to have a conversation with you. Make sure you reach out to me. All my contact information is below. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.